Inside your TV, there's something more powerful than you think. A tiny chip, smaller than your fingernail, that controls everything you see on your TV. But how is it made? Let's break it down. Believe it or not, the chip begins as sand, a silica sand. Silica sand is purified into silicon. Then silicon is melted and formed into a solid crystal. This crystal becomes the foundation of all modern electronics. Then, silicon crystal is sliced into ultra-thin discs called wafers. Each wafer is polished until it's perfectly smooth. Even microscopic dust can ruin it. These wafers will hold hundreds of chips at once. Now comes one of the most advanced processes on Earth. Using photolithography, light is projected through a pattern like a stencil. This pattern creates tiny circuits on the wafer. These circuits are billions of transistors acting like tiny switches. Then different materials are added layer by layer. Doped silicon is added. This is used to control electrical flow. Then copper is added to form tiny wiring pathways. And insulators are added. This keeps signals from interfering. This process is repeated many times to build complex structures. After dozens of layers, the chip becomes a complete processor. It can now process images, sound, and smart functions. This is what allows your TV to run apps and display video smoothly. Then the wafer is cut into individual chips. Each chip is placed into a protective package, connected with tiny gold or copper wires. Now it's ready to be installed in a TV. Every chip is tested for speed, power efficiency, and performance. Only the best chips move forward. Finally, the chip is installed into the TV's circuit board. Now it becomes the brain that processes images, controls sound, and runs apps like YouTube and Netflix. From simple sand to billions of microscopic switches, all working together, so you can press one button and watch your favorite show. Subscribe to discover the hidden technology behind everyday life.